Hello, welcome to my channel. So this video is get ready with me and I have a wedding to attend and मुझे makeup नहीं आता. This disclaimer, मुझे बिल्कुल भी makeup नहीं आता. This is just something basic which I am doing and I thought of sharing with you. So it's not an Indian wedding. So and it's in US, it's in New Jersey. So यहाँ पे अगर इंडियन वेडिंग रहता तो ऑब्वियसली आई वुड हैव वो लहंगा साड़ी शरारा घरारा. वी हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शन, सो मेनी jewelry options, पोल की ज्वेलरी, कुंदन ज्वेलरी. ओ माई गॉड, it will go on. But since weddings here are very simple and the colors are not very chatak, they prefer very simple, neutral, toned down look. So this is my dress which I'll be wearing. This is a brown dress and it's an off shoulder. As you can see, it is fitted here, and if you see at the bottom, it has flare. And it's a basic brown, and I'm not wearing any jewelry or something heavy because it's very good. It's cold like crazy, so I'll be wearing layers and coat over it. So for makeup, I have applied this concealer. Concealer is very important because I have very bad habit of scrolling at night and I have डार्क सर्कल्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. मैंने थोड़ा सा अपना बेस बना लिया है. जस्ट टच अप इज पेंडिंग दैट आई थॉट आई विल शेयर विद यू. सो येस, माय eyes are concealed and the area around the mouth which has little bit of darkness, it is concealed. Now for lipstick, I will be using this nude brown. I don't want to get into reds or pinks. Since my dress is also red and my coat is also red, I thought let's do a brown lip, but not too brown. It's a nude brown. It's my favorite shade from L'Oreal. I absolutely love this shade. Okay, so lips are done. मेरे पास blush नहीं है. I use lipstick and I put it here and just blend as a blush. Okay, so our makeup is almost done. Just one step is pending, that is to look fresh and to give a more fresh look. I use this powder. Let's put this on. I don't have makeup brushes also. Okay, so our powder is done. And so मैंने पाउडर लगा लिया है and I think eyes are looking a bit pale, so I want to darken my eyes, and for that I'll be using this. It's a brown kajal. I don't use black kajal. I think it's too much, especially in US. यहाँ पे black नहीं लगाते कोई. It looks too loud, so I prefer brown. I will just darken it. Okay, I have applied kajal and I will just smudge it a bit. I like to smudge it because it gives a very smoky eye look. I like it. So yeah, I think all good now. And mascara भूल गई थी. Let's put on mascara. Okay. and the lower lashes also. Yeah. Our mascara is done, our eyes are done. Yay! And I'm not going to be wearing any jewelry. I have just put on these hoops. I love hoops. These are medium sized hoops. And I'm going to keep my hair open. And to set the makeup, I'll be using this setting spray. It's from MAC. I think we are good. And now that our makeup and all is done, we'll put on the coat. इस ड्रेस के नीचे I am wearing leggings, heat tech leggings or thermal leggings because it's very cold. And नीचे I will be wearing sneakers because बाहर snow है तो थोड़ा सा भी चलना पड़ा तो I cannot walk in heels or chappals or flats, so sneakers are a must. And I think आज के पूरे ड्रेस की वाइब इज ब्राउन, और सॉरी पूरे लुक की वाइब इज ब्राउन. आई एम वेयरिंग दिस ब्राउन ड्रेस, ब्राउन लिपस्टिक, काइंड ऑफ ब्राउन काजल एंड ब्राउन blush. So this is the coat. Let's wear it. This is the coat. This dress I'll fix once I go inside. क्योंकि अंदर हीटर रहेगा. And this is the coat. And that's it for this look. Yeah, this coat is quite warm. I already love this look. Wow! एकदम सिंपल, बेसिक, कुछ ताम झाम नहीं, ओवर द टॉप ज्वेलरी नहीं, हैवी ज्वेलरी नहीं, कुछ नहीं. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Chalo, bye.